Fourth sum, 36y squared minus 12ay plus within bracket a squared minus b squared equal to 0. First of all, mention the coefficient value, a value, b value, c value. A equal to y squared before the term only coefficient value 36, b equal to y before the term minus 12a, c equal to constant term a squared minus b squared. So apply the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So already one more minus given, this given number also minus will given. So minus into minus plus only 12a plus or minus square root of b square, b value minus 12a whole square minus 4 into a value 36 into c value, two terms given within bracket only mention the term a square minus b square divided by 2 into a value 36. So 12a plus or minus square root of minus 12a into minus 12a, multiple the term minus into minus plus only 144a square minus 4 into 36 multiple 144 within bracket a square minus b square divided by 2 into 36 is a 72 only. Next step is a normal multiplication algebraic expression method only. Outside term multiply by both the term also multiply by 144, 12a plus or minus root of 144a square, 1 minus given means minus 144a square minus into minus plus only plus 144b square divided by 72. Within square root plus positive value and the one more negative value cancel, 12a plus or minus root of 144b square divided by 72. This number square number means it's right in outside only. 144 square value is a 12, b square means is a b value. 12a plus or minus 12b divided by 72. So plus or minus means two terms only, write down the answer, two factors. First term apply the positive symbol, next term apply the negative symbol. So 12a plus 12b divided by 72, 12a minus 12b divided by 72. So at the numerator 12 is a common, write in outside 12 bracket a plus b by 72, comma 12 bracket a minus b by 72. 12 and 72 cancelled by the 12 table 6 times only. So a plus b by 6, comma one more solution a minus b divided by 6 only. Third question, a ball rolls down a slope and travels a distance d equal to t square minus 0.75 t feet in t seconds. Find the time, that only given for the question. When the distance travelled by the ball is 11.25 feet only. So first of all, distance d equal to t squared minus 0.75 t given. Next step is a time taken, the distance travelled by the ball. This means is apply the symbol equal only 11.25 feet. So write the equation. What is the distance given? T squared minus 0.75 t equal to 11.25. So this one is mentioned the quadratic equation. So 11 constant go to the left hand side, t squared minus 0.75 t minus plus change into minus only minus 11.25 equal to 0. The given quadratic equation in decimal point only given. So on the decimal point. So once this one is a tens and then 100. This also tens and then 100. So both the term also multiply by 100 and remove the decimal point. So first one t squared into 100 multiple the term is a 100 t squared, 0 minus 0.75 into 100, 0.75 into 100. So 2 zeros given means, so move the decimal point in right hand side, 2 decimal point. His answer is a 75t. Next one minus this also move the decimal point, 2 decimal point, 1125 equal to 0. Then given equation is a simplified by the 25 table divided by 25. So 100 divided by 25 is a 4t squared minus 75 divided by 25 is a 3t minus 1125 divided by 25 in 45 times only equal to 0. This one any method is applied is a factorization method or completing square method or quadratic formula method. Any method, which of the method, easy method, that method you follow and find out the t value. This one is applied the factorization method. So factorization method means t squared before the coefficient value 4 given. So 4 into minus 45, multiple the term, so product term this one. 4 into minus 45 is a product term, is a minus 180, and the middle of the term is a minus 3 only given. Which of the table you find out? So 180 in 15 12s are 180. So middle also minus and the product also minus. So big number only apply the minus symbol. So right, minus 15 into 12. So 4t squared. The middle term you apply 2 terms only, slip the term. One more term minus 15t. Other term is a plus 12t minus 45. So first 2 terms is a common terms, next 2 terms. 4t square minus 15t is a variable, t only is a common. Right in outside is a 4t minus 15. This one 12 and 45 is a common term, is a 3 table only, highest table means 3 only. So plus 3 within bracket. 12 in how many times is a 4 times, 4t minus 45 in 3 table is a 15 times only. So bracket outside, write in one time 3t plus 3, inside the term 4t minus 15, both the term also equal to 0, t plus 3 equal to 0, 4t minus 15 equal to 0. So go to the constant term, go to the right hand side, t equal to minus 3. The next one minus 15, go to the right hand side, 4t equal to 15. Therefore t equal to 15 divided by 4. So this one t means is a find the time only. Time is negative sign is not possible. So within bracket mention negative is not possible. So t equal to positive value only 15 by 4. 15 by 4 divide and write in decimal point. 15 divided by 4. In 15 4 table 4 3s are 12, balance 3. Apply the decimal point and include 1 0. 7 4s are 28, balance 2, include 1 0. 5 4s are 20, remainder 0. So t equal to 3.75. So write the answer. Time 3.75 seconds will be taken.